The Mendel experiment used some techniques. He used some techniques for the experiment. First step is selection of pure parent plants. Means Mendel select only the plant which having pure characteristics with the characters which transform from parents to offspring. For this he used self-pollination. He performed the experiment by the using of self-pollination, and the character which transform from parent to next generation is called as pure trait. Here the trait means characters. Second, he performed hybridization of the pure trait means pure parents. He performed crossing. We know hybridization means the mixing of characters of two different parents, two varieties. So he used crossing of pure variety which having a pure traits. Like if you take example tall and dwarf, if we select a character that is size, he select the tall plant and the dwarf plant. For this he perform emasculation. In this process we remove the anther of a flower, means removal of anther. By the removing of anther, the male do not have anther at that time, so they do not transfer their male gametes, and their female part is transformed by another flower. And the female genetic information or on this female the anthers are transferred from another flower. So the self-pollination here is removed. Third step, in this process he cover the stigma to avoid unwanted pollen grain. So by this region only the wanted pollen grains are transferred from one flower to another during the first cross. This is known as first filial generation, later denoted by F1. F for filial, the first generation, by Bateson and Saunders in 1902. Third step is self-pollination. Again, the self-pollination of hybrid. The first step is select pure parent by self-pollination. After that, the hybridization of pure parents, and the first generation that come first filial generation perform self-pollination, means the hybrid undergoes self-pollination, so that result into F2 and then F3 and so on. He performed their experiment over up to 5 to 7 generations and mathematically collected the data to showing the result of these experiments. So we performed the first experiment, the Mendel's monohybrid cross. Monohybrid means a hybrid which having only one gene. We are taking here the example of one gene only. We perform the first experiment, that is monohybrid cross. In monohybrid cross, we inherited only one gene. For example, we selected the length. The trait is length, and we know the trait for length having two genes, dominant and recessive. For length we use tall and dwarf. The symbol is capital T and smaller t. So we start the experiment outline showing here first the parents. We know Mendel select pure parent, so pure tall. Cross with pure dwarf. We are selecting one gene, two alleles are here, dominant and recessive. So the F1 generation which comes here, the hybrid. So here he found that 3 tall and 1 dwarf in F1 generation. We perform by the now we going to F2 generation, the second generation, where these are act as parents, and the self-pollination results into 1/3 tall, 2/3 are three tall is equal to 1 dwarf, and into the dwarf the self-pollination result into only dwarf. Here we are saying all are tall, so they are pure, they are hybrid, they are pure. They perform hybrid again. Here the pure 2/3 are hybrid and one is pure. So Mendel here used this experiment to be studied. The result is that if you are taking a monohybrid cross, only one gene is transformed from one generation to the next generation. After the F2, the F3 are these: pure, hybrid and pure. By this experiment, Mendel observed that the dwarf plant behave different. They perform pure breed because they do not have any other allele for the expression. Whereas we take dominant tall in parents, pure tall, they perform dual function. They perform as it is pure breed or as it is hybrid breeds. So Mendel performed these experiments above all remaining 6 characters, all the own characters, and find the finally result in F2 generation is 3:1, means the genome ratio is 3:1, that results 3 tall and 3 dwarf according to this experiment. If you taking it mathematically, showing, we will discuss it later, result is same. If you are going to taking its presentation as a presentation, we are selecting homozygous tall. Homozygous means we have same allele. Zygous dwarf. If we assume that they are the parents, during the gamete formation, they perform these gametogenesis, and if we are going to cross, means if you are taking pure parent, the result into the hybrid. Here the capital T means dominant gene, so the gene is dominant, it show tall character. The dwarf allele is recessive, so it does not perform any expression. If you are taking F2 generation, the gametes are same, perform again always the dominant allele is written in front of. After into the F3 generation, we find out that there are the 2 hybrid, 1 pure and 1 pure. 2 hybrid. So if you are taking genotype, means according to genes, the pure tall is only 1, ratio 2 hybrid, ratio 1 pure dwarf, ratio 1 dwarf. This is the genotype ratio, means the ratio of genes. If we study the plant morphology, means the outer structure, we have found that phenotype is 3 tall and 1 dwarf. So the ratio is 3:1. At when many experiments or the monohybrid cross, always result into the genotype ratio is 1:2:1 and the phenotype ratio is 3:1. This is all about the monohybrid cross. There are some result of monohybrid cross. First, if we take two pure parents, the F1 all are hybrid, F2 pure hybrid and pure dwarf. The gene which transform from parent to F2, here that recessive gene is the dwarf gene, dwarf allele, sorry, that is recessive, do not show any character, but when the next generation come, it result its expression. So this the recessive gene skip the one generation. Next, the both the characters are appear into F2 generation, means the tall and dwarf both character are appear into F2 generation. In F1 generation, one of both, if you are taking two character or two traits, one of them is becomes unexpressed, means becomes recessive into F1 generation. So here the dwarf allele, the small t, is recessive. So this is all about the monohybrid cross.